Today is Monday, November 27th, 2006. My name is Jackson Blue, and this is Celebrity Dirt, powered by CelebrityWeek.com. It's a select group of individuals from Hollywood. A group of female individuals who decide not to wear underwear when they go out in public. Paris Hilton, Lindsay Lohan, and the latest addition into the secret society of pantless women, Britney Spears? Yup. Britney Spears, mother of two, was photographed coming out of a car and showing off the hoo-ha. Of course, we can't show you the pictures here. It's a family website because we all know 6-year-olds really care about celebrity gossip. But I can tell you I've seen the pictures multiple times, and it appears that Britney Spears does not have a vagina. Just thought I'd throw it out there. Google the pictures, you'll know the one. She's wearing some awful-looking blue sunglass things and hair extensions that are faker than Captain Crunch's eyebrows. We all know you just superglued cotton balls to your hat, Captain. Oh, the world is simply a big old brunch buffet filled with babies from around the world for Brad and Angelina. It looks like they're now going to be adopting a new Vietnamese baby. They just visited Tam Bin Orphanage in Ho Chi Minh City this past weekend. They brought candy and toys and handed it out to all the kids in the orphanage, and that is sparking the rumors that they might be adopting again, but this time a Vietnamese baby. So Brad and Angelina get a new baby, and America gets Jerry Halliwell. Oh, that's really good for us. The former Ginger Spice from the Spice Girls has decided to leave the United Kingdom, where she's been living for a long time, and start a new life in America. It's thought that she's coming here because Sasha Gervasi, which is the father of her baby daughter, Bluebell Madonna, that's the real name, lives in Los Angeles. But it seriously could be that Brad and Angelina have adopted her. Why can't we have at least gotten Baby? Or I even would have settled for Sporty. Or even a bag of nutmeg. I don't care. Time for another edition of Who Said It? Yes, Who Said It? I'm going to read you a quote from a celebrity. You got to tell me who said it. Today's quote: I'm perfect. That's probably what drives him crazy. Was it A, Pamela Anderson speaking about Kid Rock? B, Cameron Diaz speaking about Justin Timberlake? C, Sarah Michelle Gellar on Freddie Prinze Jr.? D, Heidi Klum on Seal? Or E, Lindsay Lohan on her drunk hookup dude of the night? Who said it? All right, who said it? While you think, look at the picture of this little baby kitten. Oh, it's a cute baby kitten. Who said it? Okay, if you said C, Sarah Michelle Gellar on Freddie Prinze Jr., you were incorrect. The correct answer was B, Cameron Diaz on Justin Timberlake. She thinks that she is perfect. Ugh. Okay, that does it for today's Celebrity Dirt. Be back tomorrow for a fresh batch powered by CelebrityWeek.com. Get me your feedback at JacksonBlue@Kiss108.com and befriend me at MySpace.com/JacksonBlue. Have a great day. 8-9.